place we're at today is Mountville Mills in LaGrange, Georgia. We're a rubber-backed matting company. We supply the entire world with commercial and residential rubber-backed mats. Have 5 plants here in the United States with over 850 employees.
We're a family-owned business, privately held. There's just some things that come with that, right? And a lot of it has to do with the way you treat people, and it is like a family. We look at things kind of from a long-term perspective here, so we're also looking for employees that are looking for a long-term home.
This retirement benefit that we have that is so rich, we had done a pretty poor job of communicating it.
So when I started about 2 years ago, my role was to look at the plan, and I immediately knew right then and there that we needed to make a switch.
We had people that had never even checked their balances in their 401k.
We were looking for a true partner that was willing to get out there on the floor. We roll up our sleeves here. That's kind of part of our DNA. We needed a partner that would do the same, and Census really stepped up and did that.
They came in and really built out a communication plan in conjunction with what worked for us.
When we first came on, their goal was really to promote the retirement plan because they knew right away it was an underutilized tool. People didn't realize the monetary value that the company was putting in. A lot of people had no idea just how much of a contribution the company was giving.
That was a surprise to us to know that they've been paying into an account that we had this money. When we had the 401k meeting, it was a real eye-opener and a real big joy for a lot of us in the meeting, knowing that we have money that we didn't even know we had.
When we sat down with folks and we actually helped them pull up their accounts, log in for the first time, and to see multiple people cry over those 4 or 5 days was shocking to them. They had no idea. So that was really a point of the meetings, was to get the education out that this is a benefit.
The education of 401k is overwhelming for a lot of people. So the Census team, they were great to come in and get down on the ground level and answer those very difficult questions that people had.
From the education classes that we took, see that I'm doing something, I'm saving up to know that so I can try to invest in my future. It's life-changing.
Since we partner with the Census, our participation rate has doubled. We made sure that our partner could do multiple languages.
It totally changed the way that they looked at the company, and again, it just helps reinforce what we're trying to do. The company is looking out for me long term, so there's no question it had a big impact on morale.
And now people fully understand the full circle of their employment here. It's not just about coming to work and that paycheck every week, but it's also about the next 10, 20, 30 years from now and how they can be successful through that.